Hi, this is amazing. Can't think amazing, believe amazing. And you can do amazing things. So let's look at today is that I have this file, right? As you can see, there are lots of file which is there. So I right click here and you can take a look at that. That's a lot, right? But what if I want to get a list of the file, the sheet name, right? Excluding the charts, excluding the charts. I want that list, right? Can I get it? Mm, or maybe you can just double click and or maybe write a VBA functions, right? To really write this down, right? That was in the past, right? And let's just close this, right? And I actually uh, remember that we have this Excel.Workbooks function, right? So Excel.Workbook it says that it can return the table represent the sheets in the given Excel. Return the table exactly what we want, right? So the thing is how to work with that, right? So we have this example. So well basically you can actually find one of them, right? And you choose it. So let's just copy this, right? For a certain I will demo to you the errors that when we get it. So let's go to data, get data from other sources. We go for create a blank query, a blank one, right? And then I had to view and I choose advanced editor and I just paste it there. And I know that this one stored under the C drive test is called AMBD SB. So I'm going to change that. Okay, so it's the test. So AMBD um, AMBD SB. Okay, SB, right? And then um I just go ahead with the done, right? So there are just some steps there. So the source step is cut the sheet, right? But in the short while you get an errors, right? You can see that. All right, the key doesn't match any rows in the table, right? So let's double click on this, right? Well, basically these are those uh, rows, right? So let's just I change it to 5.1, right? Double click this, click OK, and now let's head back to advanced editors, right? I remember I had 5.1, right? So I got this, see 5.1, and yes, it's kind of like I able to open that worksheet, right? But that is not what I want actually. What I want is actually the whole the list of worksheets. So I'm going to change this. Okay, so I only have one step. Let this, and then final step is this remain the same, right? And remove the comma as well and click done, right? Aha, right. I have a list of worksheets, right? Just as what you seen earlier, right? So now I want to uh, remove all those with the word charts, right? Is this case sensitive? Let's just try that. Okay, it doesn't. So I'm going to uncheck that. So to remove all the worksheet that without with chart, right? So now it remains with all the worksheets, but without this, right? So now I'm going to change this. I click on this thing, and now I want to remove this as well, right? This one, the condition. So I'm click on this. I choose this, and I go for does not contain the exclamation mark. Click OK, and yep, that is what it is, right? So if I just don't want this content and yes, grocery, no problem, right? Just head over and check that because only two items. All right. So once we done this, right, we're ready to actually get this list loaded into an Excel sheet, right? So just right click here, change remove other columns. We got this done. Click home, close and load it to well, by default, right? We just load it to a place. All right, right. We got it done, right? Much faster, isn't it? Right, one by one is so accurate, and that is without a single code. You just copy and paste from the M language, right? So, thank you very much, right? As I say, right? As I say, I think I am amazing, and I believe I am amazing, and I can do amazing things. And I hope you can start thinking about that because we are the same, right? You have the same amazing power within you. So I hope I see you at the top. When you hear people say, I see you at the top, what does that really mean, right? Maybe you want to explore Gunung Kinabalu. Maybe then you will know what it means. I see you at the top. Thank you.